What is the literacy rate of Meghalaya? Rank of Meghalaya in the Northeast Game 2024. When was the Meghalaya state formed? The 6th Meghalaya Game will be held in which district of Meghalaya? When did Meghalaya become an autonomous state? Who was the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Which stadium hosted the opening ceremony of Meghalaya Game 2023? Who was the first governor of Meghalaya? How many municipalities are in Meghalaya?
The name Meghalaya was coined by
Who was the first Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly? Since when did the Meghalaya Games start? Who is the first Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court? Who was the first Inspector General of Police Meghalaya? What is the Meghalaya population rank in India? What was the capital of Assam before Dispur? Top medal winner of Meghalaya Game 2024. Who is the current Director of Police of Meghalaya? Total number of Rajya Sabha seats in Meghalaya. Which country is to the south of Meghalaya? The Maulinong village is located at which district of Meghalaya? Which two districts of Assam was carved out to form the state of Meghalaya? Which of the following is the state flower of Meghalaya? How many national parks are there in Meghalaya? How many wildlife sanctuaries are there in Meghalaya? Which country's golf association museum considered Shillong Golf Course as the Glen Eagle of the East? What is the length of national highways in Meghalaya?